welcome.
What's our question for today?
All right, so this great question comes from Sam, and she says, what is the most timeless style I can, incorporate into her home?
That's a great question, though.
I
I think, first of all, do what you love. People are so fixed about what's right, what's wrong, what's
what are the
in,
trends?
what's not, what my mother-in-law is going to think about it. But you know what? At the end of the day, you need to be happy in your space. It needs to feel like home for you. If you like something, go with it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's my biggest tip. So timeless. What can they do?
One of my biggest tips is really to get your biggest pieces of furniture in a color or a style that you would love for a long time, because number one, it's very expensive to buy sofas and TV units, and you can always then interchange and change up colors like artwork and decor cushions and accessories as you go. If you want to follow trends or seasonally use different colors, that is a more cost-effective way to keep changing your house by changing those kind of smaller pieces in your home.
I really agree, and I think hubby will agree too, because I love changing my home frequently. So if I need to throw a sofa out every 6 months, I don't think he's going to love me that much.
No.
So big furniture pieces, neutral as possible, and then always change the colors around it. Rugs, accessories, lamps, lights, plants. The list is actually endless. So yeah, I think that's good. I hope that really helped.
Yeah. Last thing though that I've just thought of is neutrals. Neutrals are timeless. Your beige, your grey, your whites.
I'm just thinking she's not very keen on neutrals. That's so funny that she says that.
I know, but if you keep your walls neutral, for example, then same principle as with your sofas. You can then always just have a feature wall, or you can maybe put some wall decals on and change it that way. But a kind of neutral palette for the most of the space in your floors, your rugs, your walls.
For the foundation.
And
build on that then.
Would make your home feel timeless.
Yeah.
All right, that's it.
Cool.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I've been super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com, and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.